Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one's about Twitter as of February in 2021 and the ability to add an alt tag to your images when making a tweet. So it is just as simple as like you usually would. Go ahead and log in, open up your tweet, and add an image. Once you've added that image, you'll see here in the middle where it says add description. If you click on that, here's where you can go ahead and type in text. So you might want to put in any of your keywords. Like let's say you're a roof repairer. You can go ahead and say roofing or roofer, and then maybe in whatever town name you wanted. All right, same thing for if you're a doctor or anything else. Go ahead and put in there what is specific that you want this image to represent. And of course, just a little warning, you don't want to spam and put things in here which are untrue. So let's have an image that matches what your alt tag is. All right, from there you go ahead and click save. Now you can put in your text and tweet it out just as you normally would. All right, if you need any more help or would like more in-depth member tutorials, you can always come over to btfoom.com and give us a contact, especially if you'd like any specific SEO tasks. Thanks, and I hope this helps.